Hey Algebra 1, so I'm going to do a practice video, guys, with some of the problems from the work that you guys have to do while I'm gone. So I'm going to do number 1 for the graphing and substitution sheet. So the first things first with graphing, the easiest thing is just use, let me get my pencils out, use Desmos. We're just going to plug it into Desmos, then we're going to solve it, okay? So let's do that. So the first one is y equals x plus 6. So we'll go to Desmos, we'll type in y equals x plus 6. So remember, we need to pick 2 points that we can graph. Okay, so the first one is negative 6, 0. Our second one is 0, 6. So we'll graph those 2 points and we'll make a line. So let's do that. So I did negative 6, 0, so I count negative 6. So negative 6, 0. And then 6, 0, 1. And then we draw a line. So I must make my line between 2 of them. Alright. So now I'll do the same thing for the next one. Y equals negative 2x minus 3. So I'll do next one. Y equals negative 2x minus 3. Alright, we'll pick 2 points that work. So I'll pick this one, 0, negative 3. And then a great point to pick is always where they cross. So negative 3, 3. So let's go back and graph that one. So I'll graph 0, negative 3, and negative 3, 3. Alright, so click on here. I'll go to 0, negative 3. Here, let me change colors. 0, negative 3. And then negative 3, 3. So that's right where they cross, which is what we want. Boom. Boom. So we know it intersects at negative 3, comma 3. So what's cool about these ones is we're going to do the same problems twice. Okay, so now we're going to do the substitution problem. Okay, so we know y equals x plus 6. So anywhere there's a y in our second one, we can change it to x plus 6. So let's do that. So I'll do x plus 6 equals negative 2x minus 3. And now it's just algebra, and we'll just solve it. So I add 2x to both sides. Those cancel. Add 2x over here. So I have 3x plus 6 equals negative 3. Subtract 6. 3x equals negative 9. Divide both sides by 3. Then we have x equals negative 3. So now that we have x equals negative 3, now we need to solve for y. Okay, so pick whichever one looks easier to you. So I know to me, this top one looks a lot easier. So I'm going to use that top one. So I'm going to do y equals x plus 6. But instead of x, now, we know I can use, hey, negative 3 is x. So I can put that in there. So y equals negative 3 plus 6. So then that would be y equals negative 3 plus 6 is just positive 3. So then I get negative 3, comma 3. So make sure your answers are right. Both of these should be the same for every single one of these. Okay? So if one of those ones are different, then you know you're doing something wrong. Okay, so always check with Desmos. Okay? Desmos is going to be the easiest one. And all you have to do is click right where they cross. Okay? Right where your two cross, and that will always tell you your answer. Okay, so that's a helpful hint for you guys. See you guys next week. If you guys need anything, please feel free to email me. I'm going to put up a second video of the second worksheet, just to make sure you guys, if you guys need any more help with that one. Okay? Talk to you guys later.